You want them to know say Oscar Lyrical aka World Baddest I represent for Zeej Sterling cartoon series Dancehall Street Clash. Season 1 DVDs are now available. Contact Zeej Sterling and now to purchase your personal copy. Conditions apply. Email address rrstudio.tv@gmail.com.
Hello viewers, it's me Frasco and we are here today in the heart of Poetry to conduct a survey regarding the ongoing lyrical war between Jahmiel and Vershon. Let's go inside the streets and find out the people's thoughts and opinions regarding the ongoing war. And after this, we have a special surprise for you in store. Stay tuned.
Yeah man, you know, straight Jahmiel thing there, so I say, yeah man, big up straight.
Right now in our real life, a Vershon thing there, real clever.
Jahmiel if you do what, pay a check.
When I feel like a Vershon, I go take it, you know. You don't know say Jahmiel and ready for this yet. So a Vershon me say.
Lahat kata, yan naman ka pahintati yan. Ani tulong sa din titiya hintati yan no me boy.
Welcome back, and look who we have here with us, the Patriot, Jahmiel, and the real Queffer, Vershon. Let's kick it off. Vershon, now tell me, is this for real? Are you two guys at it? Is this a real war or a facade? We need to know now.
You know the boy Jahmiel this the link, so you don't know so me have to kill him and him familia and quaff them in a real life.
And there you have it. We have heard from Vershon, and we take it over to Jahmiel. Now Jahmiel, is this for real? Is it real for real? For really?
Oh, Vershon, don't see me as a young boy. You see I'm strength in all live off. But him know say a instant disaster. One thing about quaff them. The thing where use and deaf them.
Oral Shooter presents Dancehall Street Clash. Jahmiel versus Vershon. Begin.
Never be the first one to start, but when it start, man, I kill them gun back lot. More talk, but me gun go talk. Bout foolish pussy, you don't stir out. What do unschool it? None no smart. Gully better say fi kill them like them boss. Can't stop, press the trigger, hit life no loss. Man, I kill them bumbo clot.
Say me young and rich, I couldn't make that boy ya chat to. Till we get a cover and I read board box too. Coulda have you all about the size for the back here. Man, we sell the Benz and sell the men's if my have to. Long time I know the pussy all them want start something. Go on like them cold from me nose to them artists. Circle them men's with some tall something. And kill any pussy all and if I prison them a go prison.
One bag of freak thought them a make jungle say gunshot them a get. Vershon, you a fish a get caught in a net. Anyway me say your dog bring a step. Choose land, here see a bag of call them a make. Gonna talk about dog bring a fret. Game land, roll through not a bar be no left. Man a bad dog we no pet.
Rent a jet. You're not bad. You only know if you run mouth. Yeah, so me still me not play me boss a shot in your head and make copy your locks a jump out. Where you there with me and me shot a friend them a run. So you feel lock up now your house and afraid fi come road. You know bad, you wish just a come board. So when you a cuss board to the look of fuck mouth. Wait for click, a we force a shoot, force a kill. A man go for me rifle, run on tower hill. He claim me tough like was, so bring him power jill. You know see ya by chance, see me just a leave. A we force a shoot, force a kill. A man go for me rifle, run on tower hill. He claim me tough like was, so bring him power jill. You know see ya by chance, see me just a
the matic inna, me knock it inna pussy for your son drop a nigga. Come a trigger finger curve, caterpillar. The pussy shoulda know say jungle top a killer. Poke most if he kill a kidnap a nigga. Vershon I no know when buck up inna. Watch it, make me plug out the power jiller. Shouldn't waste me time for no beginner. Which bar a different magnum up in ya.
Out of the bar with them pattern. One for this disco for them know me bad from birth. Poor box pull up, me step out and will it clap firm. Shot in the face, me no see where the head back turn.
Who won? Who's next? You decide. Dancehall